Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to paint this really colorful terracotta pot. Super excited to show you guys this design. It's really great decor for your interior, your exterior, pretty much anywhere. This is an ivy plant and I plan to decorate my desk with it, but you can pretty much put it anywhere. It's a great summer project for you or your kids, pretty much anyone. Super simple design but very colorful and vibrant. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more DIY content like this. And let's get to it.
So we're going to start out with this terracotta pot, and the first step is to cover the entire thing with white paint. And what this is going to do is it's going to brighten all of the other layers of paint you're going to put over it. So just take a blob of white paint and cover the entire pot, and try to make the layer as thick as possible. Feel free to do multiple layers as well, and take pretty much every color of paint that I have and get a blob of that in my palette. This is going to be a very cool. So now I'm just going to take a small brush and create these sort of oval or rectangular shapes pretty much all over the pot, and I'm just gonna pick random color. Here you can sort of see the effect of adding that white base coat. All of these colors are showing up much brighter than if you were to paint it on the straight terracotta pot. Especially these bright colors like yellows and pinks. Like this video if you're enjoying. It's right there, will only take a second. And I would suggest doing the lighter colors first and then the dark colors later, because it's much easier to cover those light colors with the dark colored shapes. And yeah, pretty much just cover the entire pot with these colorful sort of blobs. Make sure they overlap. They pretty much just has to be random. Okay, now I'm gonna take a Sharpie and draw out all the edges. Kind of create a nice boundary between these different shades. So around now, I'm realizing that the Sharpie is probably not the best bet here. It kind of peels away a little bit of the paint. I would highly recommend getting a paint pen to do the edges. I also really like sort of the varying thickness that this creates. Just creates a very casual paintbrush stroke like border that the Sharpie doesn't exactly give us. And at this point, I'm going to take some similar colors to the colors that I've used here and just sort of draw vertical lines. And this is just going to add a little bit more of a fun addition to our pot. Adds a little bit more splash of color. I'm combining some yellows and greens, some blues and darker blues, reds and oranges, sort of pretty much whatever seems fun. And I'm also going to take this bright green paint and paint the entire bottom plate with it, and also the top rim of this pot. And this is just going to sort of pull in all of those colors together and create a nice unified theme. And there we have it.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you really enjoyed it. Comment down below and let me know what you thought and what more content you'd like to see. I'd really like to hear from you, and subscribe to my channel for more DIY content like this, and I'll see you guys next time.